Today I'm going to be reviewing Wondercide Rescue Oral Spray for dogs and cats. This has hydrochlorous acid. It's only 3 ingredients, salt, water, and electricity to make it. It can help your pet's gums heal. It can help with bad breath. I'm going to show you here a video of trying it on my 2 dogs and seeing how they like it and if it works. This is safe for daily use. It's really good if your dog or cat has inflamed gums. You can just spray it on there and it will calm them down. A lot of people have seen that within a day. This is an Amazon overall pick. Last month, November 2025, this sold 500 plus, so people do like this. It does get a 4.2 star rating. I like to see 4.4, but let's go ahead and take a look and see what my dogs do when I give this to them. Okay, so it wasn't the easiest thing to get my dog to do this. I had to open her mouth up. She does actually have inflamed gums. In fact, she's going to have her teeth, some of them removed. So she did take it. I don't know if she loved it. I gave her a treat. These types of things can be hard to do. Her breath smelled actually a little bit better, but I assume over time it's going to work even more.